Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Damsels and Dragons DPing. And today I have some magical mail for you. So I'm super excited to get into this package in particular, but it is a mystery package. So if you do not want spoilers, this is the mystery package from DP with Sparklers. I don't know if all of them had the same thing, but just a warning, I will be opening that up and showing all of the items in it. So if you ordered one of those and you don't want it to be spoiled, it is the last thing I'll open and you may want to stop before I get there. So I'm just going to rearrange a little bit and then I'm going to get into this. So this first one is Whimsical Daisies. It's Not Your Mama's Mud, and this is my absolute favorite wax to use. The shop is on Etsy. I'm going to link all these down below. Just be prepared though with the Whimsical Daisies with Not Your Mama's Mud that the shipping does take a bit longer. So be prepared for it not to be right away. And she does have those kind of like, if you look, it will say that the shipping is a little further out, but I love this for my single placer, which since I do single place all the time, I have this in there all the time. It's pretty basic. Savory Sunshine. I've got two of those. These do say on her site, like the descriptions when she has them will say what the actual smells are. Like I want to say one of these might be a pumpkin-y smell. I'm not sure. I can't remember. So she has like the cute names, but if you want the actual smells, you have to look at them for her listings. And she does not have any up right now. I would favorite her shop on Etsy and then just keep a lookout for when she posts. This next one is Bass Custom Arts. So this is a Donna Bass pen. Love her pens. She does pen drops usually on Thursdays on Facebook. Some of them are quick grabs and then others are a random number generator right to buy, which is how I got this. Her pens, though, are so unique. I love the shape of them, and I just think they're gorgeous. They're like little mini works of art. So I saw this pen, and I absolutely love, love, love the captive rings. So this had two of them, and I just had to grab it up. I just thought it was like too pretty to resist with those captive rings and how one has the pink in it. The other has the blue. I just thought that was like a perfect place to do those captive rings. It just amazed me. It's such a smooth pen. It's actually really, really light and it's got a great grip. For me, it's kind of a thinner at the grip. And then it's got, you know, cute flourishy decoration. So I'm excited to use that pen. This one is Bella Art de Nicole. I had one of hers in my last video. I was looking for a tray that would work really well with squares because I love her trays that have the slide-on lids, but for squares, I always felt like they got caught in the corners when I tried to put them back in my containers. And she also offers the Thingiverse trays. I got one of those. I've been using it with my squares and I'm loving it. It does still have a lid. It sits on the top and it's pretty tight. It's not bad. So I decided I was going to go ahead and pick me up another one of those when I saw the pretty purple color shift. So that's what this is here. I really like the color shifting filament for my trays. Let's see if I can get into that. Yeah, that's taped. So she always sends her card, butterfly stickers. Oh. Having trouble with the tape on the bubble wrap today. There we go. Okay. So it's super smooth lid. It's got her little butterfly. Because of that 3D printing, my lid is a little bit lighter than my tray, but it actually matches the bottom really well. They do all come with a stopper that I love. It fits in there really nicely. And this particular design, I did not have the trouble really of them getting caught here as opposed to her more rounded ones. So for squares, I really liked this shape. It's also a really nice size. A lot do fit in there at once. And then we had this really pretty green, which I had to pick up for my husband because he loves all things neon green and black. And these are just bright. They are fluorescent. They are out there. You could probably see them 10 miles away. So this is the 2-pack of the smalls. 2 of these fit on a large really well. They just, so if you want to picture it, a large is about that size right there. It's 2 smalls put together. These lids do slide in and out, so they hold pretty securely. Like if I put it upside down, if you drop it, they can still bounce loose, but they're pretty secure. And then I saw these on people's posts last year, and I just thought these were too fun. But by the time I discovered them, it was already like September. So I was like, well, I don't know that I need one for this year. But I was keeping my eye out for 2023. And it is just, it's a year cover minder. So one magnet is actually 3D printed right into the back. I just think her cover minders are so neat. And so then that's the one to hold. 2023. So if you get a finish, you could take a picture with that. You'd have your year right there on it. I just thought that was super fun. Lots of colors of those. I loved the bright pink. Okay, this last and final package, like I said, this is a mystery package. Now, last time I checked, she did, I think, still have some of these on the site. This is Diamond Painting with Sparklers or DP with Sparklers. I do not know if they're still available. I will link. But it is a mystery. So if you do not want that ruined, you might want to turn it off now. Let's see if I can figure out how to cut into this. So Diamond Painting with Sparklers, lots of gems for dressing things up. They do have cover minders, and then they do sell diamond paintings. So they did put in there that this would not be just gems. So here we have, this is key color numbers. So I think these are like the DMCs. So it's a diamond painting color card. Here there's like stickers of the different colors. So if you put them in containers and you want to just put your stickers on your containers just by color versus using ones that come with from shops that have the colors and the numbers. So there are 2 diamond paintings in here. So fun. This one's got 13 colors. It's going to be a little owl with a moon in the back. I can't see a size on it without opening it. I'm thinking it's probably maybe a 30 by 30, maybe a little smaller. And then here, this one definitely has some special gems. It's got some bigger spots. And I cannot tell what this picture is at all. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Let's see. And this one does look, I don't know if it's all crystal, but it's definitely got a lot of crystals. Ooh, it's a leopard. Look at that. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. I actually love leopards. I am not disappointed by that. It's 12 colors. And it looks like it's all crystals and then these big special white gems. These are licensed, so whether they are stock photos that they've bought or they've worked with the artist, this is a 30 by 30, so I probably had a pretty good guess on the size of the other one. Look at that leopard face. Oh. So these are, like I said, licensed. Just a nice little snack size painting. Oh, that was folded way more. There we go. Kind of trying to keep everything in there. Let's see what else we've got in here. All right. There's a big white tray, Shine Bright with, and then their DP with sparklers. One of these squishy mats. I actually saw where someone was using one of these. They had it on the side, and then when they weren't using their pen, they had their pen stuck to it so that the pens didn't roll off. I was like, oh, that was actually really smart. Ooh, this one is a little sticker. So it's a diamond shaped sticker, but you diamond paint it. So it's like a rainbow colored sticker. Here is a pen, like rainbow colored. I believe this is actually an ink pen versus a diamond painting pen. Yep, and then it's got a big old gem on the top to go with their branding. Rainbow keychain, just all sorts of goodies in here. Oh, here's a little gnome cover minder. It's like 3D printed. Here is a diamond painting pen. It's this light pink. Washi tape, and I believe purple wax, which I've never seen it in purple before. There's another cover minder. Ooh, there we go. Pretty pink flowers. And then here we've got some gems. So here we've got some big bling jellies. So these are in a blue. I believe these circles are, the big bling are 4 small spaces. And then here, so a whole bunch of neon glow jellies in rounds. I love these. I definitely will be finding something to use them on. Bright green. Bright purple. I actually had a whole set, and these are the glow ones. They're so fun. I have a lot of these in the square that I had used on one of my paintings around Halloween. So now I'm going to have them in rounds. Love those. And then these are like little pearls. Those are pretty little tiny pearls. They kind of look like they have that AB coating. And then I believe that's a sticker right there. So lots of diamond stuff. There's their sticker that comes with almost all their stuff. I think this might be one of the ceramic cutting pens, but I'm not sure. And then a pencil. Let's see. Maybe not. Oh. Nope, it looks like it's just a ruler ink pen. So that's kind of unique, although it looked like it open in more than one spot. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, so then it has like a little knife for file thing in it. And then it's got ruler marks. So lots of goodies in that mystery bag. Definitely worth the kind of price for the surprise. Lots of fun stuff. And if you enjoyed joining me today, please like this video. If you've not already subscribed, please consider doing so. I do whip-in chats. I do these like small shop hauls, Magical Mail Mondays. I do unboxings. And I am going to be hosting an event this summer, so be keeping your eye out for information on that. It is already almost February, so that's going to be here sooner than we know it. Until then, thank you. And have a good night. Bye.